Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in the last video, we have learned about method overloading, and in this video, we will learn about method overriding. So I will write a simple program which will explain this concept. So what I will do, I will create a class and I will name it as A, and in that I will create one function which is called get data. Okay. And in this function I will create I will just print something. So I will say print, and under that I will say this is from class A. Okay, and now I will again create one more class B. Okay, and here I will not write anything, it's a blank class. Okay, so if I create an object of class B, alright, and if I say get data for the B class, okay, let me just make it as small letter B, and now I will say B dot get data or B1 dot get data. Okay, if I do something like this, okay, and if I run it, you will see that I am getting an error that get data, there is no function like that. Okay, so that's mean right now class A and class B are the two different classes, but let's say I make B as a child of A. For that I need to put parenthesis and I put A here. Okay, and now if I run this, you will see that what I'm getting this is from class A. So that's mean in a parent-child relationship, if you don't have a method, it will use the method of a parent. So that's a simple concept of inheritance. But what if I have a similar kind of a method in B? Okay, so if I say B here and I will just write this is from class B. Okay, now if I run it, you will see that it is saying this is from class B. So that is method overriding. So that's mean that if there is a method in your parent class, if you make a similar method in the child class, then the child class method will be used if you are creating an object of a child. In case if it doesn't have any kind of a method in the child class and you are trying to use a method, then it will call the method of the parent class. So this concept, when my child class is overriding a method of a parent class, that's called method overriding. So when we are working on actual projects, there is a need to override the method of a parent. For example, my parent child is doing 10 work, okay, and now I'm creating a child class which is creating or which is doing 3 more work, or there are 3 more methods, but it is also overriding one method of a parent. So for that concept you have to use method overriding. So I hope I was clear in explaining this with a very simple program, and in future we will write some more complex program related to method overriding. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.